everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply a bond refund to a Guardian's account. To do this, you can go to a Guardian's details page. Click on the Payments tab and then click on the Payment Debit tab. In the Payment Type drop-down box, you need to select the System Type Other. And in the Payment Reason drop-down box, you need to select the System Type Bond Refund. If you wish to update the payment date, you can do so accordingly. It is very important that you ensure that the bond refund is entered in to the correct enrollment. This means it is the enrollment that the bond charge and the bond payment was applied to. In the amount box, enter in the total amount you wish to refund. And then click Make Debit Payment and click Yes to confirm. When clicking on the Statement tab, you will now see the entry for the bond refund and the debited amount. When reviewing the Guardian's customer account statement and scrolling down to the bond summary, you will now see the line item for the bond refund and updating the Guardian's bond that's held. So for this example, this matches the bond charge of $100. There was a bond payment of $100, and now we have refunded the $100 back to the Guardian. Please note, bond refunds are done through your service directly. In Kidsoft, you are reporting and updating the invoice accordingly. For further information on how to apply a bond refund, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.